How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over a TIR setup using our GranDirect Control with our K-Force Micro 21 mini light bar here, and our Striker 6 and our Z4 TIR surface mounts here. So again, I'm using my GranDirect Control here. So on the Grand side, where my mini bar will plug in here, I'll have my power button, and then I have my pattern changer where I can get set on a pattern I'd like. And then this unit does have memory recall, so you can shut it off and it will remember the last pattern it was on. And then moving over here, I have our Striker 6, so I'll go ahead and power that one on. And then again, you have your pattern button here, so you can cycle to a pattern you'd like, find that flash pattern you like, and then you can go ahead and turn your unit off and back on, and it'll remember its pattern as well. And then additionally, you have your aux button here, which I went ahead and hooked up two Z surface mounts to the aux side of the direct side here, and then I hooked two Z surface mounts to the Grand side here, coming off of the aux cables there. And I can easily activate my Z surface mounts by hitting my two aux switches. So that would be perfect if you had these on your license plates in the front, so you had your light bar and your front lights on your Grand side, and then you had your traffic advisor and your Z surface mounts on the back with an additional license plate bracket to go on the rear of your vehicle. And then with our traffic advisor, you also have your center out, left right, and right left functions, and then you can also function those in slow or fast with the switch here. And then moving over here, you also have your alley button where you can turn your alley lights steady burn, and we do offer a multicolor upgrade there to where those can go steady burn clear if you would like to. So that's an add-on on our K-Force Micro 21 TIR bars. And then we also have this setup available in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid, half, and alternating color combinations in our TIR models. And then we also have these models available in multicolor using red, blue, amber, green, and clear. And then if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle, feel free to use our customization tool. You'll see it on the product pages there if you need a custom setup for your vehicle. So hopefully that gives you a better idea on how you can use our GranDirect Control with our K-Force mini bars, our Striker or Virtue traffic advisors, and our Z surface mounts on the aux switches here. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.